Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me a bit today. We're going to be talking some fall transition today. Some amazing casual outfits I think that'll ease us into those cooler temps. If you're new, I'm Laura. I do have furry sidekicks that like to just hang out with me today. And we sure hope you stick around that long haul. Hit that subscribe so I can keep on creating new content. Loft has amazing deals and they have amazing style and they have a large variety. So I definitely suggest checking them out. I just have 3 outfits because I know everyone is starting to think fall weather, right? Even though we're not quite there yet. So I have some fun things you could probably wear going into the evenings or as we're thinking about transitioning to fall. We're going to start with this outfit I have on right now. It is from Blue and Gray, this fun matching set. So a cute little sweatshirt and a fun little pull-on drawstring waist skirt with the bigger pockets here in the front. Do have the stitching around them. Loving this color because if you're like me and you don't want to leave summer colors behind, this would be a great way to start the transition. I love the little saying, all set. I did a tiny little like front tuck, just tiny, just because of the tie for this. I think it looks super cute, but you could probably just leave it out anyway. It has the regular banded bottom, but I had it kind of like a little bubble bottom, and I just tucked it under, which I think also works nicely with this. So several ways in which you could wear it. Of course, would look adorable back to denim as well. I'm wearing my normal size, has a little bit of that dolman sleeve. Love it with this skirt. Does have the slits on one side. Here we go. Slit on one side. Very, very soft. It's like that scuba knit. Incredibly, incredibly soft. Be great for traveling or just for those casual days. So cute. And of course, mix and match. The skirt would look adorable with a white tank and a jean jacket. Would go great with a fun little sweater. So multiple ways to wear this. For these first 2 pieces, the Blue and Gray Scuba Soft Midi Pocket Skirt. So the skirt. I'm wearing an extra small regular. $79.95 is the regular price. I got it for $33.98. I will say I think I might see if the small is available. Since this is an extra small and I feel like I'd like a little bit more room. Then for the Blue and Gray All Set Scuba Soft Bat Wing Sleeve Sweatshirt, I'm wearing an extra small regular, $89.95. My price, $38.22 when I purchased it. And I do like this little saying here this is embroidered on. This is not, I mean, you can feel this. It's hand stitched. Well, maybe not hand. You know what I mean. All right, we'll keep going. Another great summer to fall outfit you need to grab now. I love this because it's casual but elevated. So you could easily wear this to work from home or go to meet your friends for coffee, just to hang out. It's going to be comfy, cozy. It also is going to travel like a dream. So I have on the bubble pant in this great green color that's going to be a neutral and will go with everything. This is a nice length for me because I don't feel like it's pulling too much down around the bottom of my leg. That's just enough. That's how it's supposed to look, right? You don't have to worry about tripping on them because they're stopping at your ankle. I've had a few wide leg where it's been a little bit disastrous. Paired it here with this cute little sweater top. I'm loving the little waves on here, and the color contrast just looks really pretty with the green. Perfect for those work from home videos. I love this outfit. The pants do have a drawstring. They have that little bit of the drop waist stitching here. Side pockets. So comfy. This would also travel well. So if you need to catch a plane, you know, you're going to be somewhere where you want to be at least ready to go meet someone as soon as you get off the plane. This would be a great outfit. Grab a jean jacket. You're set. I think it's perfect for every day. All right, for these. This one is called the Wavy Stitch Raglan Sweater Tee, $64.95. I got it for $27.90. And then for the Blue and Gray Garment Dyed Terry Soft Balloon Pant, $84.95. and I paid $36.10. Love this. I did do a quick check on the skirt, so the midi pocket skirt, and there is a small available, so I think I'm going to switch it up just to be a little bit more relaxed. They also come in petite and regular lengths, and many times Loft will have tall lengths as well. Final outfit. Okay, I think I saved the best for last, although I picked these items and I love each and every one of them. This one is so fun because you can elevate it, right? So it's going to be comfy, cozy, but you could turn this into a date night outfit if you wanted, or even in the office look. Think about pairing it with a fun blazer or a black moto jacket. Would be so, so cute. So these crepe pants are a really fabulous fabric on them. They drape so nicely. They have the running stripes going down the side pockets. I did put a little bit of a heel on just to dress these up. I'm 5'5" for reference, and they would just be touching the floor, just barely. So you could still wear a flat with them. You could travel in these, put on a tennis shoe, and then when you get there, swap it out for heels if you needed to. I really love these. Such an elevated, fun look. So drawstring waist, and what's really great about these is all the pockets are nude. So they're not going to stand out. The back pockets are the same. Do you not love that? So fun. Okay, and then I have on this awesome little top with it. It's a V-neck, little with lace trim t-shirt. Has a nice length almost down to the elbow for me. Great little pairing here, I think. It makes for an elevated, fun look. And all these pieces you could wear now and into the fall temps as they start to change. Super versatile. This would also be really cute with a bright colored top, so think like a pink top and a black jacket. There's a lot you could do with these. Put this little t-shirt on with your favorite denim. You could also pair it back to the skirt or the pants that I already showed you in the prior two outfits. These are all mix and match styles. You could also probably wear the sweater I showed you with the green with this as well. The pipe Sawyer pull-on pants in crepe. I'm wearing an extra small regular. They were $89.95 and I got them for $38.23. And there's so many sales. When I went out to see if I could get that skirt and the next size up, the price was within $1 difference. So I think right now it's 44% off plus an extra 22% off. I think when I bought it, they were 55% off or something. So they change constantly, but the sales are always good. Never pay full price. For this little top, it's called the Lace Trim V-Neck Perfect Ribbed Elbow Sleeve Tee. I'm wearing an extra small regular, $49.95. I got it for $21.22. And then if you have a Loft card with them, you can get Loft cash. You can get credits towards your purchases. So when you spend so much, they'll put money in your bank, and then you can apply them to your orders. So there's a lot of ways in which you can get discounts at the Loft. Well, this was fun. It was short, but I hope you enjoyed these outfits. I can't wait to hear what your favorites were. As always, I will list each of these items down below and with a link so you can shop any of them yourself. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and swipe to hype, and I will catch you next time. Bye-bye.